Are you looking for the perfect ribs recipe to make at home? Look no further than this sweet and sour pork ribs, also known as gingdoguat. Every time my brother eats this, he has to lick every last drop off the plate. Let's get started. After I wash the ribs, I usually use a paper towel to pull off the membrane. Now cut the ribs into individual pieces. In your Instant Pot, add salt, garlic powder, 5-spice powder, apple juice, water, and apple cider vinegar. Mix it up. Now add the ribs. Close the lid and cook on high pressure for 20 minutes. This will ensure that the ribs are super tender. While we wait, we can prepare the sauce. Brown sugar, char siu sauce, Chinese black vinegar, ketchup, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, water, and hoisin sauce. Mix well. After 20 minutes, we can release the pressure valve and take out the ribs. Now you're probably thinking, I've been tricked! This looks nothing like the pictures. Don't worry, after we render the sauce, it's gonna look 10,000 times better.
係咪真㗎?
Now in a pan on medium-high heat, add oil and pan fry the ribs. Once both sides have enough color, we can add the sauce. Turn on high heat and continue to cook until the sauce has thickened. I like to add a little bit of dark soy sauce for some color. Lastly, add some sesame seeds and it's ready to go. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.